Hello everyone, welcome to my podcast. I'm Angelica Miskin Ramadhani. Today we'll discuss a topic close to everyone's life, English. We often hear that English is an international language, a global language, and a language that opens the doors to the world. But how important is English in your daily life? Here, I'm accompanied by a beautiful sister. Can you introduce yourself?
Okay, my name is Nova Melia and everybody calls me Nova. And now I'm studying at English Education Study Program at UNES in the 5th semester. And now I'm going to tell you about my struggle in English. To be honest, I started to learn English since I was kid, but I don't really focus on how it's structured well, but I'm just like the singer from the Western. If you know, the name is Johnny Orlando.
Okay.
And then after that, I just watched the movie. It's called Twilight.
Yes,
Twilight. And I was so in love with the one character. The name is Jacob. Taylor Lautner. And then after that, I know that I was interested in English, so after graduating from senior high school, I postponed my study for university and I went to the Kampung English to enhance my ability to learn English. And since from that, I feel that I am able to speak English and now.
Okay. So Kanova, in your opinion, why do you think English is important for college?
Okay, maybe in my opinion, since we are in college and lecturer sometimes give us some tasks to make an article, right? And we know that many famous article, textbook, and also journal, many of them are written in English. So if we master at English, it can be easier for us to get more resources from the journals.
How can English help students after graduation?
Okay, maybe I will take the what is that?
Graduation.
Yeah,
After
for graduation, I will tell you about my friends. He was master at English and he was the new employee, but he got more salary because of he can speak English fluently. That's why I can tell you that English will make you more easier to get job and also the wider opportunity.
Okay. In your opinion, how significant a role does English play in opening up career and educational opportunities?
Okay, it's a big role for English because we know that if we can master English, we can work from home and we get salary from USA, and also we can try to get scholarship, and also we can get student exchange, that we can get it if we master at English.
Okay. Number 4, in your experience, what problems to study typical face when learning English?
Okay, I will take the experience from mine and also my student, okay? And in my experience, I was so scared of making mistake because we know that, especially in social media, we know that some of people will focus more on the grammar. They will be grammar police. Have you ever seen before?
Yeah.
And also, at the first semester, my friend also told me that one of my friends mocked her because of her pronunciation is bad. It is make her insecure for speaking English. I think that it is normal because we are still learning, right? And also we are not native. That's why it's the problem that make us, for the EFL learners, that find difficult to do speaking independent, what is it? Confidently. Sorry.
So, how do you usually improve your English skills? Actually speaking?
Okay, for speaking, I used to use some applications such as for the first time before I went to the party, I installed what is it called Duolingo.
Duolingo, yes, Duolingo.
But I feel that Duolingo is too easy, and then I changed into Stimula. If you know, Stimula is we can adjust what we want to learn, and me, I focus on how to speaking for IELTS preparation, and also not only that, I also use Busuu. It's similar as Duolingo, but I think that Busuu is more enhanced because we will know what level English are, such as MI, C level, C1 level, or B1, B2, such as like that. And also for writing, I also do journaling on my book, and also my secret account on the X. I will write in English, and also usually I wake up and also I think about something using English. That's why how I learned about speaking English.
Okay. In your view, why is English regarded as an international language?
Maybe because English is widely known for the people around the countries, and also it connects people from the different background of linguistics.
Do you believe that everyone should learn English or only to work in a specific field?
Yes, I think that everyone should be known about English at least just a little, because just what I have said before, that English has several benefits for us, and it will make us easier to do something in the college, in after graduation, and finding jobs, and etc.
How can we maintain a balance between using English and preserving local language?
Probably we can use English in some situation, such as we were in college, or something like interview in global interview or something like that, and we have to still use our own bahasa, our language, in our daily conversation with some people local here.
For someone who wants to start learning English, what simple first steps will you recommend?
Okay, maybe in my experience, maybe you can start by you have to look for one at least idol, or also dream, such as mine. I love some actors for the Western, and also I have a big dream for study abroad. Now, if you have a dream like that, it will enhance your spirit to more and more study about English.
Okay. One last question is, what tips and strategies will you suggest for becoming fluent in English?
Okay, maybe the tips for me is the maintain of doing it routinely. I mean that don't push yourself too much, but just make it easy. Like you have to have in one day goals, like today I want to learn about how to use grammar in daily activities, like such as like that. And also maybe you can try to find partner from different countries, or maybe you can look for a boyfriend from another country that make you more spirit to learn English every day.
Yes. Okay, thank you so much. So English isn't just a subject, it's like life skill. English connect us in our daily life. However, we also maintain a balance between global communication and local identity. Thank you for spending this 10 minutes with me and with Canova. Remember, every English word you learn is a new praise to the world. Thank you guys.
Thank you.